Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious iced green tea. It's a refreshing beverage perfect for any time of day. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients: your favorite green tea bags, fresh water, and plenty of ice. Selecting a good quality green tea will truly elevate your drink, ensuring a vibrant and enjoyable flavor profile. Let's get brewing. Now, let's brew your green tea correctly. The ideal water temperature is crucial, so heat your water to about 175 degrees Fahrenheit, not boiling. For a 16-ounce serving, use 2 to 3 tea bags to achieve a good strength. Steep the tea for just 2 to 3 minutes. Oversteeping can make green tea bitter. This gentle steeping ensures a smooth, pleasant taste. Once your tea is brewed, carefully remove the tea bags to prevent overextraction. Allow the tea to cool down to room temperature naturally before chilling it further. This step is important for clarity and flavor. Now is the perfect time to stir in your favorite sweetener, perhaps a tablespoon of honey or a dash of simple syrup. You can also enhance the taste with fresh lemon slices or a sprig of mint. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade iced green tea. Fill your serving glass generously with ice cubes before pouring in the chilled tea. This keeps it perfectly cold and refreshing. Feel free to customize your drink with a slice of orange, a few berries, or another sprig of mint. Any leftover iced tea can be stored in a sealed pitcher in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ready for your next refreshing moment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.